Namaste everyone, I hope you are doing great. First I would like you to zip your aura, and I will be giving today Theta Healing download from Theta Healing Advance regarding love, abundance and success. So if you would like to receive those affirmations or those downloads, please every time I'm saying them say yes, and you can also repeat them. And please do this exercise for at least 7 days up to 21 days every day, وبتشوفوا magical shift in your life. حياتكم كلها بتتغير تلقائيا automatically وأكيد للأحسن وأحسن. So now I want you to close your eyes. Tap into the white light from your feet up to your knees. Relax your body, balancing, aligning all your chakras, root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye and crown, becoming a ball of light or forming a ball of light around you and going up to the universe, passing through the layers of light, the golden light, the rainbow light, the pink light and jelly light, and tapping into the white light where is only unconditional love, support. Please now say your prayer and say yes for this download. I understand the creator definition of being impervious to doubt. Understand what it feels like to be impervious to doubt. I know how to be impervious to doubt. I know how to live my daily life impervious to doubt. I know the creator perspective on being impervious to doubt. I know it's possible to be impervious to doubt. Understand the creator definition of being impervious to toxicity. I understand what it feels like to be impervious to toxicity. I know how to be impervious to toxicity, and I know how to live my daily life impervious to toxicity. I understand creative definition of being impervious to negativity. Understand what it feels like to be impervious to negativity. I know how to be impervious to negativity, and I know how to live my daily life impervious to negativity. I know it's possible to be impervious to negativity. I understand creative definition of being impervious to worry. Understand what it feels like to be impervious to worry. I know how to be impervious to worry. I know how to live my daily life impervious to worry. I know it's possible to be impervious to worry. I know the creative definition of being impervious to worry. Understand what it feels like to be impervious to worry. I know how to be impervious to disease. I know how to live my daily life impervious to disease. I know it's possible to be impervious to disease. Would you give me permission to download all this impervious system from the seventh plane into your reality, into any plane of existence that you are, and in every part of your reality? Take a deep breath. Understand creator definition of joy. Understand what it feels like to have joy. I know how to have joy. I know how to live my daily life in joy. I know the creator perspective on joy. I know it's possible to be joyful. Understand creator definition of interacting with others. I understand what it feels like to interact with others. I know how to interact with others. I know it's possible to interact with others. Would you give me permission to download all this, please? In every part of your reality and on all levels. Now, I understand creator definition of love. Understand what it feels like to love. I know how to love. I know how to allow love. I know how to permit love. I know it's possible to love and to be loved. Understand creator definition of mother's love, father's love, and all levels and in every part of our reality. Understand creator definition of twin flame or soulmate or life divine partner, love. I know what it feels like to love my soulmate or my divine partner or my twin flame, wherever you are in your journey, you know. So you permit all this love. You understand creator definition of heart-to-heart connection, of a commitment through the creator of that all that is in the physical reality and on all level of your reality. Joy to this relationship, fun, trust, collaboration, assistance and support. Download all that. And downloading it how it feels like to live in abundance, success, joy and compassion, respect, safety and security on all levels in every part of our reality and in every place we are. So now you allow yourself to download yourself what feels like to be romantic and how to be romantic and how to enjoy romance in your life and how to take your relationship every time for the better, with creating better reality. So I understand greater definition of romance, travel, honeymoon life, and joy. Take a deep breath and giving you all this after your permission in every part of your reality. Hope you enjoy. Namaste. Please do this exercise for 7 days or 21 days minimum. Namaste.